this video is about I'm going to show you to make material that is literally shinier than it could possibly be. So in Cycles and in Eevee, it's like extremely shiny. So the little square in the middle, that's glossy with a roughness of 0 and the color is absolutely white, and it's still not as shiny as the outside material. The outside material is my material. It's like so much shinier, and it works in both Eevee and Cycles. So I'm just going to show you how to make that material in this video. Basically, you want to go over to the shader workspace, and so this is the material for the smaller square in the middle. As you can see, this material is fully white and has a roughness of 0. So this is like literally the most glossy material in Blender. But there's actually a secret that you can make it even brighter, and just so you know, it works in both Cycles and Eevee. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but like it's just really cool because it works in both render engines. And so it's really simple. Basically, what you do is you get a glossy, and you plug it into an add shader, and then you plug it into the surface. And then at the bottom of that add shader, you plug in another add shader, and then a glossy, and you just keep doing that. And every iteration that it goes through, it just gets more shiny and more shiny, and all those reflections just add up on top of each other, and basically that's just what you do. So you highlight the glossy and the add, press Shift D, drag it down, and then plug in the add shader to the bottom slot of the add shader. It's literally that's it, and you just keep doing that as much as you like, and you just keep doing that pretty much. And so I'm just showing you guys, but you can do it as many times as you like. After you get to like about 5-6 times, it kind of becomes pointless because every single time you add it on, it goes half and half, and then if you add another one, it goes 33%, 33%, 33%, and if you add another one, it goes 25%, 25%, 25%, and so it just becomes less and less of a fraction that it contributes to the actual final material, which means that it's kind of pointless after the first couple ones, because it only gets a fraction of a bit shiny. Anyways, that's it. That's the video. So yeah, I mean, like, pretty good video, huh? Like you guys can see everything, and it's pretty shiny. So consider making my life pretty shiny, and click that subscribe button. Yeah, it's right there. If you click it, it might turn white. It might not. I don't know. If you're special, it will turn white. Okay, bye.